So this starts tomorrow, so please do join the team. Hi there, welcome back to Save with Crypto. My name is Save with Crypto. For those of you who are using the quad rotation stochastic indicator, you can see that we did update that 11 hours ago. So you should have received an email to sort of say update your script. If not, you can just go in there and just update it, and there you go, you've got it. If you don't know what I'm talking about, quad rotation stochastic is an indicator that I've been working on with the help of an excellent coder called Maff, and I've actually got a meeting with him this morning in 1 hour's time to discuss the updates, and we'll make a video about it as well, so that's going to be cool. But this is a brilliant indicator. If you want to see the release notes for this latest version, they're down the bottom here. I'll actually just quickly show you what they look like on the indicator. Using a live example. Okay, so this is the price of Bitcoin versus USD. This is the Blofin chart, and let's just expand that for the moment, and you can see what the changes are. These little green triangles, okay, these now vary in opacity. So what this means, these appear when the stochastics are all at the extreme levels. Okay, so this is the 80% level here, and here they are pointing upwards. Okay, we're calling this the trend shield. So basically the trend at the moment is to the upside. However, because of the position of these stochastics, it is looking like the price of Bitcoin is now getting into oversold territory. So I am expecting a bit of a pullback fairly soon, and that should happen when these green triangles stop appearing. However, you can see that they started off quite intense, got quite faint, and they're going a little bit intense again. So it means at the moment the trend is still to the upside. Now, the other improvement Maff has made is when you get the green backgrounds or the red backgrounds, and we also get an intense signal, yet again, the opacity of the green or the red increases. So you can see at this point here, this was the strongest signal to go long, and you can see here that also coincided with seeing the super up symbol as well. A very powerful indicator, completely free, and I must say I'm loving it. So how's it looking at the moment? Well, on the 1 hour time frame here, we've got this long line of these trend shields, indicating that although the price should be reversing any moment now, it's not. It's still going to the upside, and you can see that if you look at the moving averages here, and you can see here that the red 5 EMA is at the top, closely followed by the cyan 9 EMA, the yellow 21 EMA, and the 55 EMA. That means we've got a trend in motion to the upside, and at the moment even the quad rotation stochastic is saying, yeah, for the moment we're going up. So this is a good example of where you've seen the red background, and you've also seen this red super down symbol as well. Now normally this is a very powerful symbol, but at the moment the EMAs are not agreeing with it. And at the moment, I would say that trend outweighs momentum. So trend wins. So for the moment, we're going to go up. Now this will all change when we stop seeing these green triangles. Now I am actually in a very, very small long position here, which I'm waiting to reverse at any moment now. I'm not expecting a massive reversal, to be honest, purely because we've got this discrepancy between the two indicators. But we might pull back a few $100 and then go off again. Now there are some other bullish things to note as well. In particular, if you look at the 4 hour time frame, you can see that we've just got a cross here with the 21 and 55 EMAs. That is very bullish. I mean, that happened here, and then the price went like that. That happened oh wow, that happened here on April the 12th, and the price went up for a long time. So it could be very, very bullish indeed. So maybe now we should be looking for things like these red backgrounds and the super down symbols on the 4 hour time frame, because certainly this one here back in May did predict a nice dump down from the all-time high. The other thing to note is at the moment we've got a bare moon. Okay, if you believe in the moons, then it's bearish at the moment. And it's not a 50-50 thing. It's more than 50% that the price will dump. So for the moment, I'm expecting a small dump and then maybe pump afterwards. But I'm probably going to flip to the 4-hour time frame and look at what's going on here, because the higher the time frame, the more reliable the signal. Now, I'm going to be on the Stonksy show today at 1 p.m, so there's that to look out for. After that, we've got the Blofin competition starting tomorrow. However, I am going to go to Manchester actually tomorrow for 3 nights. And it kind of means that the videos might be a little bit sketchy from now until Sunday. It doesn't mean I'm not going to do them. It just means I might do them at weird times of the day. And if I get really stuck, I'll probably just get my phone out and have a little chat with you guys and then carry on like that. So consequently, I don't really want to be in any big trades whilst I'm away, because I'm going to a conference. I need to be talking to people, doing a bit of networking, and generally paying attention really, rather than looking at my phone or looking at my computer. And just in case you're wondering, it's nothing to do with crypto. It's more to do with the old industry that I used to be in. Anyway, I'm going to go now, get this video uploaded. I've got a call with Maff at 11 o'clock. I'll make a video from that. I will publish that before I go. I might actually do it tomorrow because I'm going to be driving for quite a long time. So I'll publish that in the morning, and that can be the video for tomorrow. But any questions, leave them in the comments down below. I can always answer them fairly easily. While you're down there, do give the video a big fat like. Make sure you are subscribed and you've got the notifications set on all. And above all, tell your friends.